Welcome back to another devlog. This is gonna be number 3, and I'm probably gonna be doing only building this episode because I don't really want to sit on this base plate anymore. It's pretty bland and there's nothing special to it except these like random parts for scripting. I'm probably gonna first use free models as like a beginner map because I do not know how to use Blender yet. So I'll probably learn that eventually as well, because that'll be useful for future games. And we're probably going to use a bunch of these low poly stuff. So I also grouped these so I don't really have to move every single one individually. So let's just start off with these like low poly hills, and I'm just gonna surround like a little area with this. So I'm gonna do a quick time lapse of me just surrounding this place with these low poly hills and stuff. After about like 4 minutes maybe, I completed the border of the map. For some reason some of these are floating, which is kind of annoying. Or solution, I could just level them up and put all of these here. Alright, so that's the border done. Completely done. Next up, let's just add some like other random stuff on this map just so it looks better. Alright, so this is the map I came up with. It's not the best of course. I just put like random low poly trees, low poly border. Now it is time to watch some tutorials. Yay! A lot of you guys said like, why am I going away from the Dev King? Why am I going from the Brawl Dev to Dev King? Well, I actually watched both of the beginning scripting tutorials from the Brawl Dev and Dev King all in one sitting. So I had to take in a lot of information, but Brawl Dev's videos were extremely long, but they did provide good information. It's just, I could not keep up with the notes with Brawl Dev, but I did learn a couple things from him first. And for Dev King, his stuff was much quicker and simpler, so I just took notes from that. So I'll probably first check out Brawl Dev just because it's newer and stuff, so it might have better information on scripting. Alright, so I watched basically the full entire first episode, talked about local scripts or just like server versus client-sided so for example, there is this script that I just directly copied. So when this part is touched, so the part here is going to be this magenta one, when it's touched, it's gonna have a brand new brick color. And this is a local script, by the way. It should turn into whatever this is, red flip-flop color. If I touch it, it'll change colors. And if I go, so right now I'm on the client side, which is like the player. You can move around and stuff. And then when I'm on the server one, you can still see it's magenta. So if I keep shifting back and forth, you can see the color is different. Server is like the whole entire game, and client is the player itself. So after completing episode 2, my brain started to hurt. That was one of those tutorial episodes where I could not understand anything. So I just took a brief summary from somebody's comment on the video. So just in case I need to remember any of this, I can just go to this script and check it out. But of course, if I don't remember anything, I usually just run it back from the same video and rewatch it the whole way through. But for the sake of the video, I'm gonna keep watching the episodes and taking notes. So yeah, let's get to episode 3. Alright, third thing I learned are tools, and basically just made it when you activate it. So when it's equipped, it's activated, and when you click, it prints either it's activated or deactivated. So if I hold down, it'll say activated, and then when I don't hold my left mouse button, it'll say deactivated, and then if I unequip it, it'll be unequipped. But yeah, that's 3 episodes I've watched so far. And if you guys want to look at my notes, here it is, about 40 lines. Yeah, I kind of forgot to write what a manual activation is, but I'll do that some other time. This is all of my notes so far, and I think I'm gonna end it here for now. So I hope you guys enjoy the video. I'll put the game link in the description just in case you wanna, play it or something and check it out. Next episode, maybe watch even more tutorials from the from the Brawl dev. I kind of want to try to make, clicker game, but I think I'm gonna use a video with this generate simulator game. So be on the lookout for one of these videos. Anyways, thank you guys for watching, and see you next to Devlog, which I don't know when will be made. Yeah.